Hi everyone, it's Jade here and welcome to my craft room. Today I'm gonna share the unboxing of the Tonic Craft Kit number 31 by Tonic Studios. Unfortunately this kit is not available anymore, but you can subscribe right now to grab the next kit. The cost for a monthly subscription is £30 for a value of the product inside of £50. Is a great value in my opinion. You can find all the info in the Tonic Studios website. I leave the link down below the description area. Now it's time to open the box. Every kit has a specific theme. This month is a Tropical Paradise. Here we have the description of the kit and a list of the supplies you will find inside the box. You always find a sticker that records the theme of the box. For the inconvenience created by the coronavirus pandemic, we received this apron as a gift because it arrived 2 months later, unfortunately. Now I'm going to open the envelope where you can find the selection of the cardstock for this month. The cardstocks are by Craft Perfect. There are different types of cardstock and some of them we will see in this kit. The first one is the classic card. It's a cardstock with a gorgeous texture in one side and a smooth surface in the other side. Then we have the Pearlescent card. It is a very nice and shiny pearlescent green and it matches perfectly with the tropical theme. The next type is the mirror card. In this category we have 3 different types of card: iridescent, satin and gloss card. Here you can find an example of iridescent card with a golden highlight. Another type of mirror card is the gloss one. In this case we have a vibrant pink that, with the green card, gives us a tropical forest color combination. Let's move on to the Speciality card that have a gorgeous embossing texture. Here you can see a pearlescent green with embossed leaves. The last type of paper you can find in the kit 31 is the Speciality paper. It is an handmade cotton paper with a 3D texture and a metallic pearlescent color. Then we have a 6x6 button paper pad with a tropical color palette such as yellows, greens and pinks. You can see a kind of geometric pattern, quite subtle, a blue strip paper. As you can see, they are double-sided, but you can find 25 sheets with 8 designs, 6 of each. Let's move on to check the selection of supplies for this kit. Usually inside the box there are, for example, Nuvo drops, alcohol markers, glitter, sequins, mousses, or tools such as siso, adhesive, blending tool. all inside the box match perfectly together. In this case we have a tropical paradise theme, so this kit contains cardstocks and Nuvo product in a vibrant exotic palette. The first product I'm showing is a Nuvo Confetti. You can use them to add some finishing touches here and there in your card, or to make shaker cards. We also have a jar of green Nuvo Sequins. As for the confetti, you can use them to add shiny details here and there in your card, or to refill your shaker card. Here I'm going to open a mini Glacier paste. It is a very soft paste with some mica flakes inside. Glacier pastes are perfect to make a shiny and textured background with your spatula or using a stencil. I hope you can see how shiny it is with these mica flakes. Gorgeous. Here we have a mini Mica mist. It is a solution with a mica powder in a pigment color, in this case a beautiful metallic green. You can use mica mist to create a shiny background, spraying directly in the surface or using a stencil. The next product is a glitter marker in a gorgeous dark pink. You need to shake it before use, and for the first time it must be activated by pressing on the tip like I'm doing here, and as you can notice, slowly the color comes out. Now the marker is ready and you can write, color some areas or use it diluted with water to create a soft and shiny background. Let's move on to one of my favorite Nuvo products. This is a Nuvo Crystal Drop in pink with a gloss finish. Personally, I use them to add these little drops on my project as a finishing touches. Finally, there is a mini glitter drop. The difference between these and the previous crystal drop is that the color base of the glitter drop is transparent, so you are able to see the glitter inside. I hope you can see here this transparent purple base and the glitter inside. Last but not the least, the coordinating dies and stamps. They come inside this paper folder, and you can store them in this ring binder. You will receive a binder every 3 months, if I'm not mistaken. Here you can see the stamp set with some sentiment. and the die set with a gorgeous tropical flower and leaves. A very intricate design, perfect to create a bright and colorful card, but you can also going for a simple and elegant look. You can see some ideas in my video where I going to create a lot of cards with a different design. It is a little difficult for me to explain what you get after die cutting. You can see some picture while I show you the dies to get an idea. So we have 3 main dies that will cut out intricate strips of exotic flowers and leaves. We also have 2 dies that fit perfectly with the main dies. These dies will cut out the strips along the edges. Unlike the products seen previously, like the Nuvo ones and the cardstocks, which you will find normally in the shops, dies and stamps are exclusive in the Tonic Craft kit. Obviously something similar could be found in the shops, but not exactly the same dies and stamps. To finish, we have 2 butterflies and 1 sentiment dies, which says warmest wishes, and 2 matching dies that cut out the back of the butterfly and the sentiment. The unboxing is finished. I hope you got enjoyed. I'd like to remind you that you can find the link to my video where I'm going to create 10+1 card using this kit. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment to say what you think about the kit 31. See you soon and be colorful!